Summer is here and it's time for wardrobe refresh. You know when you find a dress that's just right? This one is it. Super comfy, super easy to wear. The fit is amazing. It's got this slanted empire waist that sits so well and the flare flows beautifully when you walk. And look at these sleeves. Puff sleeves always add a little drama, but in the cutest way. It's made in viscose rayon, which means it's lightweight, soft, and perfect for summer. No stiff fabric, just pure comfort. The white thread work is such a nice detail, just enough to make it stand out without being too much. The V neckline is simple, but the embroidery gives it a nice touch, makes it feel a little more special. Kept the jewelry minimal, just these white studs. They go perfectly with the embroidery. Black purse and sunglasses to keep things classic and simple. I went with acrylic strap heels to keep it sleek, and that's it. I am ready to go. Look at this dress, so light, so breezy. Love how it flows. Midi length, just the right amount of flare, perfect for summer. It even comes with a fabric belt. You can tie it up for more defined look or leave it relaxed for easy effortless vibe. And it's sleeveless, which means no extra fabric sticking to your arms, ideal for those really hot days. It has an empire waist, but for me it sits little higher. Still super comfy, and honestly I love how it gives a relaxed flowy feel. It has Hawaiian collar, just adds a bit of structure without making it feel formal. Jewelry I kept minimal with simple stud, added a sling bag for pop of color and silver thong style heels because they go with everything and make you feel little more polished. This one is those dresses which you can wear anywhere, easy, comfortable and stylish. I love this summer dress. Okay, this orange dress is giving me all the summer vibes. Look at this color, so bold and vibrant, perfect for a sunny day out. Let's talk about these sleeves for a second. They have got this gorgeous tier design and delicate lace detail. How cute is that? And can we take a moment to appreciate the tier design of this skirt? It's playful and fun, but still super wearable. It's not over the top, it just has that perfect balance. The waistline is elasticated, which means it's comfy and easy to wear. I love how it sits just right. Now, this dress comes with Mandarin collar, but here a little hack. Just unbutton the top and voila, you have got a V neckline which gives more relaxed and effortless feel. Now let's talk accessories. I went with these white shell earrings, nothing crazy, just enough to add a little sparkle. And how cute are these white chunky block heels, comfy and stylish. White structured bag and sunglasses to tie the whole look together, and that's it. I'm ready to go. How pretty is this lavender dress? The digital print is so fresh and perfect for any season. Plus the wrap style is just everything. Check out this elasticated waist. It's comfy and keeps everything in place. And this tiered skirt, it's got this beautiful flow to it that moves with you. The length of the dress is just below the knee, which makes it super versatile. It's perfect for anything. For accessories, I went with these cute small earrings and a stake of gold bracelet for a little shine and a simple chain and pendant, just enough to keep it classy. Now can we talk about the fabric of this dress? It's silk blend and feels luxurious against the skin. These acrylic strap heels add the perfect touch, elegant and comfy at the same time. And look at this tiered skirt again. I can't get enough of it. It just adds so much movement. I finished off this look with a structured bag and I am ready to go. Last in this haul is this beautiful printed yellow dress that just screams sunshine and makes you feel so happy. It has this delicate pink lace around the neckline. It adds such a soft feminine touch that makes the dress feel even more special. The length of this dress is great. It is just below the knee, which is perfect for any occasion. This dress has circular skirt which flows beautifully. This dress is sleeveless. Look at the lace around the armhole. It's such a nice detail. It keeps the dress light and breezy but still adds that extra charm. Accessories, as usual, I kept minimal. For the earrings, these light brown studs and of course my signature acrylic strap heels, they go with everything, and the structured bag. For a breezy day, I threw on this cute pink jacket to add little warmth without losing the fun vibe of the dress. If you find this stuff useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.